So hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the official YouTube channel of the UGIIT. And first of all, thank you for visiting this channel and becoming of our part of our learning community. So today I want to introduce myself, explain the purpose of this channel, and share what you can expect from us for the coming days. So first of all, who am I? So my name is Kaushik Mondal. For the last 7+ years, I have been working professionally as a front-end developer and web designer. And during my journey, I have worked on various website, web application, and modern responsive user interfaces. So throughout this year, I realized one thing: many students learn theory but struggle when it comes to building the real project. So many courses take concept but don't show how those concepts are applying in the real project. So that is exactly why I created this channel, and the goal of this channel is very simple. So I want to help the students, beginners and aspiring developers learn practical web development skill that are actually used in the industry. So here I will focus on hands-on learning instead of just theoretical explanation. So you will not only learn concept but also practice them with real example and project. So this channel, what will you learn? So on this channel, we will be learning a complete series covering web designing course, HTML5 beginners to advanced, CSS3 complete guide, responsive web designing, Flexbox and CSS grid, JavaScript fundamentals, advanced JavaScript concept, modern UI UX design, Webflow and Webflow landing page design, portfolio creation, real project workflow, and interview preparation. So special focus on Webflow. One of the major topic on this channel, we will Webflow. Many people want to create professional website without spending years learning complex coding. So Webflow is of the most powerful modern website building platforms available today. So in our Webflow series, you will learn creating a Webflow account, understanding Webflow interface, designing professional website, responsive design, CMS implementation, animation and interaction, publishing website, portfolio project, and everything will be explained step by step. And next, real coding practice session. So one thing that makes this channel different is that we will not only watch tutorials, we will practice together, like live coding session, real website building, project based learning, debugging and exercise, front-end development workflow, and practical assignment. So I strongly believe that the learning happens through the practice. So that is why coding session will be regular part of this channel. And also learning with AI. So technology is changing rapidly. So AI is becoming an important tool for developers and also designers. So therefore on this channel, we will also learn how to use AI for web designing, AI tools for front-end developers, using ChatGPT for coding, AI assistant website creation, and productivity technique with AI. But one thing, remember, AI should help you become a better developer, not replace your learning process. So I will teach you to how to use AI effectively while still building strong development skill. And doubt clearing session. So learning is not always easy. So something student get stuck. So So to help everyone grow together, we will organize a doubt clearing session, community discussion and problem solving session, and real project reviews. So you can ask your question in the comment section and I will be try to my best to answer them through dedicated videos and community interaction. So who is this channel for? So um, first of all, complete beginners, student, college student and web designer, also front-end developer or anyone interested in the technology. So even if you have never written in a single line of code before, you can starting learning from the beginners with us. So I truly believe that anyone can learn web designing and web development with the right guidance and practice and consistency. So you don't need to a computer science degree to start. You don't need years of experience. You only need curiosity and the dedication to learn. So together we will build project, solve problems, learn new technologies, explore AI tools and grow our careers. So if you are excited to start this journey with me, make sure to like this video, turn on notification bell and comment your learning goals and share this channel with your friends. So subscribe to our UGIIT YouTube channel and thanks for your watching and keep learning. So bye bye.